For the last 37 years, Lenovo has made persistent contributions to the industry digital transformation by providing high-quality products and services. Leveraging Lenovo's unique know-how and insights about these various industries, Lenovo has developed an industry transformation-oriented AI platform, Lenovo Brain, to continue to help accelerate industry's intelligent transformation. Lenovo Brains first started as an AI platform to empower Lenovo's own intelligent transformation. From enabling our devices' natural interaction with users, to enabling our infrastructure AI ops, to empowering our smart factories. But we haven't stopped there. We are further developing it to help and empower others in the industry too. Lenovo Brain provides full lifecycle AI solution construction, deployment, and support across cloud, edge, and client.